Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Vocational Door. So today we will be discussing a famous interview problem which is find pivot index. So in this problem, first we need to understand the problem statement which says you will be given an array of integer nums and we need to calculate the pivot index of the array. So the first question arises, what is the pivot index? So pivot index is the index where the sum of all the numbers strictly to the left of the index is equal to the sum of all the numbers strictly to the index says right. So here you can see there is an integer array and the output is 3. So output is 3, it means this is the index 3. So index 3 will be 0, 1, 2, 3. So this will be the index 3. So the question says to the left of this index, which we are having 173, and sum will be 11, 731. And to the right, we are having this 5 and 6. This is also sums to 11. So 2 means for this index, in the left side, all the elements are having sum 11, and on the right side also, all the elements which are having sum to 11. So these two are equal. That's why it will become our pivot index. And also, if we are not finding such index, we need to return -1, which is shown in this second example. And also here we can see, here we are having 2, then 1, then -1. So the output says 0. So on 0 we are having 2, and here on the right side we are having 1 -1. So if we will sum this, it will become 1 -1, so it will be 0. And also if it is the leftmost element, means the 0th index, so we will consider the sum of the elements which are in the left side, means this side, means we don't have anything left to the 2, so this will also sum to the 0, and it will same apply if the element is at the rightmost. So now we will see like how to approach this problem and how to solve this. So here I have taken these examples, and approach we will keep simple. As we know, like we need to match the left sum and the right sum from a particular index, so obviously we will calculate them. So we will something initialize something like this. So here also we will take the complete sum. I will tell why. Suppose for this array the complete sum will be it will be, this was 6, 11, 11, so it will become 28. So suppose randomly if we are at any element, suppose we are here at 3. Now we need to calculate the left sum and the right sum. So these elements will become left sum, these elements will become right sum. Then we will match. If those are matching, then we will we will return this index, and if not, then we will move forward. So how it will be calculated? Suppose if we are knowing the whole sum, which is this, and then we are knowing the left sum, which we have considered as 0. We will start from this particular index. So what will be the right sum? So we will initialize one for loop. So inside the for loop, what we will do, we will calculate the right sum. So right sum will become, let me write that. So inside the for loop, sorry, yes. So inside the for loop, our right sum will look something like this. It will become total sum, which is sum, and we need to subtract the left sum from this. And also with this, we need to subtract the current element, which will become nums of I. So in this way, our right sum will be calculated. After that, we can match if left sum is equal to right sum or not, L is equal to right or not. If yes, then we need to return the I. And also we need to update the left sum. So left sum will become, for this element, it will be 0, which we have initialized. And once we will move forward, it will become left sum is equal to left sum plus nums of I. So in this way, we can find our answer. And if in this mechanism we are not finding, we will return -1. So in this way, we can approach this problem, and it will apply on all kind of cases. So here, as I said, first we will take the total sum. We will take two variables for left sum and right sum, and we will initialize as 0 values for all. Then we will calculate the total sum. We know like how to calculate the sum of a array. And then after that, we will start one for loop from 0 to the length of the array. And here we will first calculate the right sum. We know like how to calculate that. Here I have said like first we need to take the total sum, and then we need to subtract the left sum, which is this part, and also the current index elements, which will be nums of I. So in this way here our right sum will be calculated. After this we need to check if our left sum is equal to right sum. If yes, then we need to return that particular index that will become our answer, which is the pivot index. So this will be the pivot index. If not, then in the last we will return the -1 here. And also after this we need to update our left sum, because initially we have given it to 0, considering we will start from here first element, so it will be 0. After that we will update it left sum plus nums of I, because as it will move forward it will keep adding those elements, so those will become the left elements. So this is how we will solve this problem. Now we will solve this on the LeetCode. So we will solve it on the LeetCode. Now as I said, first we need to take the total sum, which I will say as sum, and give the 0 value. Same we need to do for the left sum and right sum. So we will do left sum 0 and right sum. So after this we need to calculate a total sum, which we know like how we will do it. We will use the for each loop for int val in nums. Here what we need to do, we need to update it, so it will become equal to, sorry, our sum will be updated as sum is sum plus equal to val. So after this sum will be calculated. Now we need to initialize one for loop from 0 till length of the array, which is nums dot length. So after this, as I said, first we will update our right sum, as we are starting from the 0th index. So our right sum will be total sum, yes, this I have taken, minus left sum, also minus nums of current index, which will be nums of I. So this we need to calculate. Now we will check if left sum is equal to right sum. If yes, it is true, then we got our pivot index, so we will return it. And also we need to update our left sum, so it will become true, nums of I. So this will become our left sum. And if in whole this mechanism we are not finding such index, so we will return -1. So now our code is done. We will execute it to check if it is working or not. Okay, so we can see these cases are getting passed. Now we will submit it. We will see if all the edge cases are getting passed or not. So we can see all the 747 cases are getting passed, and also this is one pause solution. So guys, if you guys having any query, you can let me know into the comment section. Also, if you want to give any feedback, those are very welcome. We will meet in the next session. Till then, keep learning. Happy learning.